everyone, this is Priya Malpani and I'm from MGPS. I have joined BASE Institute in class 12th and trust me, I'm regretting that I haven't joined it in 11th because it is one of the bestest and finest institute which is available in Vidyadhar for commerce. I have joined it in 12th and trust me, my experience here is fantabulous. The teaching style, the style sir follows, Sumit sir follows, it's amazing. He treats everyone equally, whether it's being a good student, a bright student or someone with an average student kind of. He treats everyone equally, and especially the assignments, the question banks we get and the weekly and monthly assessments they are quite tough, but still they are amazing. And especially the exams and the test series that were conducted before the board examinations, that were the constant motive of inspiration for us, and they gave us motivation to, they told us where we actually stand, what is the position initially or the currently position, and then we knew, okay, we need to work this much to get that goal or this goal. The teaching methods Sumit sir pursues is quite different from easy to hard level. Like first we solve the basic questions. When we are clear with that, we are clear in our mind that yes, we have achieved them. Then we go to the hard level and he teaches us from the easiest to the hardest level which can actually appear in the board. And trust me, even better than that, the HOTS and everything is covered in this institute. And not only the books and the material in the books, but also he provides us the external material which is quite helpful for us. As compared to other institutes, BASE Institute is the best. Not only for the teaching and other things, but also one of the bestest asset in this institute is the recorded lectures which are also supported by app. If by chance or any casualty occurs that you would miss your lectures, you can also take them recorded lectures. They are live recorded, and it is only one institute in Jaipur, that is the BASE Institute, which gives us this facility. Another feature of BASE Institute is the ratio between the teacher and the student. That is basically 30 to 35 in the presence of one teacher. Generally we face this problem, and I'm telling it by personal experience, even I have faced that particular problem, that in schools we are unable to understand some of the topics, some of the minor problems. That is because we don't get the personalized attention that we really require. The personalized attention that we require is absent somewhere or the other, it's absent in schools. That particular personalized attention is available in the BASE Institute. As Sumit sir not only focuses on the bright students that I have already said, but also on the average and each and every student, the problems, the bench to bench going and solving that problems, and even giving extra classes on Sundays. It is rightly said that a teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to provide and to light up others. All the things I have achieved, the particular position where I am standing, accountancy made me so strong, basically in boards, and all the credit that I would give to Sumit sir. Because he built it up the confidence in me. After 11th, I was like, okay, I can't do accountancy. It's one of the most weakest link of mine. But today I'm standing here holding the accountancy as one of the strongest link. All the credit that I would like to give sir, because he built it up that confidence in me. He saw that spark that yes, I can do something. And only by his help, today I'm standing here in front of you all, and yes, I'm capable of, I'm speaking in front of you. This capability, this motivation, all this strength which is given to me, I give all the credit to Sumit sir. Thank you so much sir for making me capable of what I am. Thank you everyone. And I would like to recommend all of you join BASE Institute if you really want to pursue something very good. Thank you all.